Okay, in this video we're going to talk about taking care of the homepage banner, the slider right here. So what we want to do is be sure to be logged in, and then there's a section, a custom post type called banner. Go ahead and click that, and then right now you'll see in the demo that we have 4 banner slides we've made. Obviously you can make as many as you want, and it's pretty simple. We give the title of the of the banner of the slide right here. That is what shows up in this section right here. And then our descriptive text inside the actual editor. This is what shows up in the block underneath. This one right here. Alright. Next, we have our featured image. I'm sure you've used these before. Simply upload your image of choice. Hit save, and then you're set. So to do one from scratch, so you can see this, let me do that real quick. So test slide. Here is some text. Now, be sure your image is large enough. Since this is a full screen, this takes up the full screen. You want to make sure that you have a large enough image. If you use something small, it's going to be pixelated. It's just not going to look, proper. Let's see if we got one already in the library big enough. This one should be good. Set. There we go. I'll publish this. Let's refresh. There's my text for test slide. There's my text, my bottom section, and there is my image. You can also reorder these through 2 ways. We actually use a custom post type plugin called Reorder that you can use. And then you can actually basically just drag and drop these. So test slide, I can just move this down. And if I update this, now I've changed the order of that. If you don't have this plugin or not using this reorder plugin, then what you would want to do is either change the publish date or, change the publish date or use the reorder. I believe we're going to be including the reorder in the download, but at this point I'm not 100% sure, so if you don't have it, just search reorder plugin and install it. It's pretty easy to set up and to use. Next, what we want to do is go to theme options, and we can basically set up the banner speed and a couple other things. So let's click theme options. And then under system pages, we have home page. I can control the speed. So maybe I want to slow it down, maybe go faster, I can do that. Do we want to show the text in the banner? So maybe you don't even want text, for instance. So let's save this real quick. There we go. Wasn't sure if I hit the button actually. So now we don't have any text showing up. So that's actually an option whether you want text to show up in this area or not. Okay. And then this other information I'm actually going to cover in a separate tutorial about the theme options itself. But basically, real quick, is we can set up the banner text background, which I guess is important. If you choose to show the text, I can change this color. So for instance, maybe you don't want black, maybe you want a red or a blue or some kind of other color that matches the color scheme of your site. Now it's red, so you can actually change this color as well. Okay, that's about what I'm going to do for this one. I'm not going to go over the other ones, the widgets and the other sections. That's something I'm going to include in a separate tutorial so we can kind of cover the other items that are going on in this. Alright, that'll do it.